Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi and today is another Adventures of NonDom. Basically what that means is I'll be using my non-dominant hand to put nails on my right hand. So I am not a lefty, but we are going to be doing some lefty work. So as you can see, I am forming up my thumb. I use those little pink fish forms. I really like them. They fit my fingers. And I can do any length nails that I want. Although if I do shorter ones, I like the shorter forms because once you pinch down, it starts to like warp the form a little bit. So if I'm wearing super shorties, I've got those little silver ones that I'll use. Okay, so I've already put a base layer of the light Elegance builder gel, builder gel on my actual nail. And now using some Saviland clear, I am just building a tip. And I'm keeping it super, super thin because we are going to build some things on top of that and then encapsulate those things. So you want to keep this layer super thin, but I'm working with PolyGel today. And if you are a friend of the channel, you know I hate the feeling of PolyGel under the nails. That's not smooth. I really like a smooth surface under there. I like it to be shiny, so I always put a builder gel tip before I put down PolyGel. So what we're doing now, I don't usually show you the thumb, so today we're going to skip the pinky because it's pretty much the same. And this is where I have to start explaining to you guys how frustrated I am with myself today. And not for the first time doing this work. I have got to figure out my placement. I've got to figure out where I put my camera. I need to do it the same every time. I need to make sure that I'm always in frame like I'm not right now. This is not the first time I dipped out of frame, so there's a few things you're not going to see, like skipping the pinky, not because I wanted to skip it so much, but because there's no real good footage of it. So as you can see, I did a green and did a slant, and then I did a blue stripe, and then I'm adding the green back down at the bottom. And as you can see, this is my first instance of really dipping out of frame in this video. I really want to promise myself that I'm not going to do this anymore. And I really want to mean it, and I really want to work hard to make that happen because I'm letting myself down, right? And I know that my nail friends always cut me a break on that, but don't cut me a break on that. Call me on it. I need to be accountable for this. So anyway, let me stop berating myself. I put down a really shiny flower. It's kind of like a thick glitter, but not, I don't know if that's what you'd call it. It's a little decoration. And then there was some stars in that kit. And so I added some stars with it as well. The PolyGel itself is already really glittery. So I just thought one really bright flower on top of that was a nice way to go. Now, after curing that completely, and I didn't cure any of the layers of that nail before I put the flower in each section, normally I would have cured it, but I wanted to place the flower in and I wasn't sure if it was going to overlap colors, so I didn't. I just went on ahead and kept putting the PolyGel, and now I'm encapsulating that with a little bit of clear. So we did keep the PolyGel nice and thin, and that's also part of the reason why it's slightly see-through. It's not 100% opaque. And then when we come into file, we won't be filing away our flowers too much. And actually on this thumbnail, none of the flower gets filed away, but some of all the rest of them get a little bit filed away. But honestly, I'm not mad at the way it looks. It came out, I love this set, and I'm glad that I did it on myself because I'm gonna get to wear this for a while and enjoy them and just flash that sparkly goodness everywhere I go. I really, really enjoy this set. So I'm just finishing up here on on my top, or on my builder gel. Now, as you can see, I already formed up all these nails and put the clear tip down. And now we're going to come in, and on this particular nail, it's going to be a full green. The middle nail will be blue. The ring finger is going to stay green, and then we're going to do the same treatment to the pinky that we did to the thumb, but reverse it. Blue at the top and bottom with the green stripe in the middle. And it'll be diagonal as well, which you won't see until we, get to the end. And speaking of the end, we also do not have very much footage of the top coat, which normally I'm super good at getting all the top coat footage. So as you can imagine, I'm doubly disappointed and a little bit, I'm going to keep it real with you guys, a little enraged with myself. Just like, now on this flower, if I had put it up higher in the nail, I think I wouldn't have lost so much of it. But I was going for random placements, and I wasn't really thinking about that when I put it down. I just thought it looked pretty there, and it does. But we do lose a little bit on both sides. You'll see. I don't show the filing, but you'll see after everything is finished. From here, I'm going to go ahead and skip the builder gel encapsulation just to save you guys a little bit of that. I don't know, is it saving you? You're here because you like nail art, but just to keep the video from being too long. How about that? So we're just adding our decorations to the rest of these because that sculpting bit is the same every single time. It's not going to change. Now I do wish on my ring finger that I had pinched that form the tiniest bit more, but I'm not mad. I'm okay with that. These are the gems, or at least the gems that they came out of that package. They're all Swarovskis. But guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I feel like my cheap gems stay on my nails better than the Swarovskis do. And here we are dipping out of frame. And I'm clowning myself a little because I deserve it. I do, guys, I do. I deserve it. Sometimes, I mean, I don't want you guys to be mean to me, but, you could say, girl, get your shh together. Get it together. Because I need to get it together. I really want my channel to be good. I want it to be done well. And I don't appreciate it when I'm not doing it well. I'm just going to work so much harder, you guys, to stay aware of what I'm doing. So we're just putting these cute little gems on 3 of the nails, just in a little corner placement. I just thought too many gems would take away too much from the nails, but no gems, that just didn't seem right. So, and we went to a pink place. There's not a lot of pink except for 3 of the flowers are pink. So I wanted to pull that pink even more a little bit in. So this is the best top coat video, or footage rather, you're going to get. This right here. This is the best. And it's not bad. It's pretty good, even though I do dip out a little there. And this is the finished set. Guys, I love these nails. I wish my video was a little better. And I promise you I'm working on it. No, I'm going to work harder at it. I'm not putting up with this with myself anymore. It's time to grow. So grow with me and share this video everywhere that you share videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to click that notification bell. See you on Thursday. Bye.